Welcome to Wings of Fire Dreams. Today, we will start with the 80 days plan of TNPSC. Day 1, we are going to start with the Constitution topic. The Constitution is involved in the study materials of 6th standard, 10th standard, and 12th standard polity book. So today, we will cover the introduction of Constitution. First, we will start with the 6th standard study material for Constitution. Why 26th November is celebrated as the Day of Constitution? Constitution of India was completed on 26th November 1949. It was accepted by the Constituent Assembly on 26th November 1949. Both the reasons A and B are valid. How much was spent to frame the Constitution of India? 64 lakhs. How many amendments were made before the draft version of Constitution was finalized? Nearly 2000 amendments were made. Where the original copies of Constitution of India are preserved in special helium fill cases. Library of Parliament of India. Why do we celebrate the Republic Day on Jan 26, 1950? When the Congress met at Lahore in 1929, the members of the Congress unofficially declared the same day as the day of Purna Swaraj, or the day of complete self-governance. The next year, 26 January 1930, was celebrated as the Independence Day. After official independence, that day has been observed as our Republic Day. Both A and B are correct ones. What do you mean by the Constitution of India? Constitution is an authentic document containing the basic ideas, principles, and law of a country. The laws governing a country originate from the Constitution. Every country is ruled on the basis of its Constitution. It explains the power and the duties of government bodies and also lists the fundamental rights and duties of the citizens. Directive principles were also mentioned in the Constitution, so it is holistic in nature. Both the points A and B are correct. When did they begin to frame the Constitution? 1946. Choose the correct facts about Constituent Assembly. Nearly 389 members of the Constituent Assembly who belonged to different parties from different places came together to frame the Constitution of India. The chairman of the committee was Mr. Rajendra Prasad. Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Maulana Azad, S. Radhakrishnan, Jalakshmi Pandit, and Sarojini Naidu were the significant members in the Constituent Assembly. There were nearly 15 women members in the Constituent Assembly. All the above facts are correct. How many members worked on drafting the Constitution? 8. Choose the correct factors about drafting committee. The drafting committee was formed with 8 members and its chairman was B.R. Ambedkar. B.N. Rao was appointed as an advisor. Thus, the father of the Constitution of India is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, N. Gopalaswamy, K.M. Munshi, Syed Ahmad Sadullah, P.L. Mitter, N. Madhav Rao, T.T.K., T.P. Kaitan were the legal experts of the drafting committee. The committee met for the first time on 9th December 1946. On the same day, the drafting of Constitution of India started. All the above 3 points are correct. The constitution of nearly 60 countries were thoroughly examined and their best features has been adopted by our constitution. List the important countries from which Indian constitution is derived. UK, USA, former USSR, France and Switzerland. From all these countries, we have adopted the best features of India. How long it took to draft the Constitution of India? 2 years, 11 months and 17 days. Facts about articles and amendments of the Constitution. When the Constitution was drafted, There were 395 articles in 22 parts and 8 schedules. At present, our Indian Constitution contains 448 articles in 25 parts and 12 schedules. 101 amendments were made till 6/9/2016. What are the objectives of the Constitution? The objective of the Constitution stresses on the justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. What is the preamble? It is the preface of the Constitution. According to it, India is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, and republic country. What does it mean by sovereign? The Constitution has granted the people the right to rule. The members of the Parliament and the Legislative Assembly are elected by the people. The right to decide is only in the hands of the representatives. Sovereignty refers to the ultimate power of the country. What is the meaning of secular? Law allows all the citizens of country the right to follow different faith and different religious beliefs. All citizens enjoy the freedom of worship. The country does not have a religion of its own. All the religions in our country hold same status. The government of India rules through the parliament, doesn't it? Yes, the Constitution of India provides a parliamentary form of government, both at the center and the state. In a parliamentary system, the executive is collectively responsible to the legislature. The party which has the majority forms the government. What do you mean by the directive principle? There are certain guidelines to be followed while the government frames the law. Though these are not mandatory, they should be taken into account. What is universal adult franchise? Every Indian citizen has the right to vote when they attain 18 years of age, irrespective of any caste, religion, gender, or economic status. Thanks for watching this video. For continuing to study the Constitution in 10th Standard Book, please subscribe to our channel and apply the notifications. Thank you.